What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Beam, which has been quite volatile. As you guys can see, it pumped up quite a bit earlier this morning up to just about 3 cents, dropped back down, and right now pumping again. So what is going on with Beam? How high is it likely to go? It's been performing very well over the last couple of weeks. As you guys can see, over the last 7 days it's pumped up 57%, and over the month it's pumped up nearly 240%, guys. So what is next for Beam? Is it likely to head up to around 5 cents, 10 cents, especially going into 2024? What can we expect, and is it worth buying the crypto? Is it a must have in 2024? That's what we're going to be looking at in today's video. But before I go any further, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator here at the bottom, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction. So let's zoom in into the 15-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, 4-hour chart and the daily chart for the long-term traders like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 15-minute chart here, the MACD indicator is looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, especially that it's been quite of a wavy 24 hours, ups and downs. It's likely to pump up a little bit higher over the coming hours, potentially getting very close to the 3 cents target is where I'm expecting Beam to be trading at towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow. But do expect dips in between where it's likely to hit red candles. It is going to be quite volatile, just like how it's been over the last 24 hours. But as long as the overall outcome is positive, it's all good. And at the moment, yes, I am expecting an overall minimal increase in value from Beam. Let's move on to the hourly chart. Over the next 12 to 14 hours, so essentially by midday tomorrow to tomorrow evening, as you guys can see here, we've got the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards a negative direction, and the blue line is looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So what does this mean for Beam? So essentially an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected. So the crypto should essentially be hovering around the 0.025 cents target over the next 24 to 48 hours. However, I am expecting an overall minimal increase in value, heading past 3 cents in target is what I'm expecting. So if we go to the overall chart here, potentially hitting a new all-time high is what I'm expecting from Beam over the next 24 to 48 hours. It should be heading over the 3 cents target. But again, do expect red candles in between, as that is of course part of the process, but the overall outcome seems to once again be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So yes guys, an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting from Beam. Moving on to the 4-hour chart over the next couple of days, what can we see here? So towards the end of the week, early next week, we got the blue and the orange line. It's still looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and they are not looking too steep either, meaning this is much more realistic. So over the next 4-5 days, guys, an overall increase in value is again what is expected from Beam. So it should be trading around, heading up to around 4 cents is what I'm expecting towards the end of the week, early next week. So do expect more green days over the next couple of days. Again, as I keep mentioning, red candles are part of the process, but again, the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. So hitting near about 4 cents is what I'm predicting for Beam over the weekend and early next week. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, as you guys can see, the crypto we've got data from about 5th of December. Those of you guys who are not sure what the merit code token, also known as MC, is migrating to Beam. So that's why you're seeing a lot of news around this crypto, and there's not much data on it either on Binance due to the fact that it has migrated. So The long-term prediction, as you guys can see, is not really viable for the specific cryptocurrency due to the lack of data on the crypto. However, going into 2024, I am expecting the crypto to keep on the green side. However, if you guys want me to keep you guys updated on a regular basis for more accurate predictions, comment down below and I'll try and keep you guys updated on a regular basis on Beam. But at the moment, we should be heading to around 5 cents in Q1 of 2024 and potentially heading to around 10 cents towards the end of Q1, early Q2 of 2024. So yes, an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting from Beam. However, if you guys are not aware, in my previous updates I did warn you guys there is a price correction coming soon, and we did see a little bit of a price correction over the last couple of days where Bitcoin did take a little bit of a dip down to $40,000 earlier yesterday, but right now it is back up to over $43,000. But Beam is likely to go through a price correction over the coming 2 to 3 weeks. So by the end of December, we should see a price correction from Beam, which means it should essentially drop down below the 2 cents target over the coming week or two, and then potentially slowly increase back up in value, heading to around 4 to 5 cents early next year. But again, for more accurate information, I will keep you guys updated on a regular basis. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up like crazy as well, 30% up in the last 24 hours, making it $148 million in trading, which is again a huge increase. Reason is the top trending crypto right now, especially with the pump that took place earlier this morning and then dropped back down and right now pumping back up, but mainly because over the month it has gained over 240%. A lot of people are looking into the project and are also looking to invest into it as well. It's getting a lot of traction from both buyers and sellers point of view, meaning at the moment a lot of people are investing into it. So to those of you asking, would I buy into the crypto right now? Simple answer is no. Why? Because as I mentioned earlier on a couple of minutes ago, I am expecting the crypto to drop back down below the 2 cents target to go for a price correction. So if I'm predicting that it's going to drop, there's no point in me investing into it right now. I'd rather invest into it when it drops back down. But even then, I wouldn't buy it at 2 cents. It's probably going to have to drop way more than that for me to buy into the crypto. But yeah, to give you guys a brief explanation, no, I wouldn't buy it. Would I sell the crypto right now if I was on a profit? Yes, I would, but I wouldn't sell all of it. What I mean by that is if I had $1,000 invested into Beam right now, I would probably sell about 40 to 50%, take out the profit and keep the remaining 50 to 60% going into 2024, 2025, hold on to it for the long term. Meaning I've taken out some profit and I've also got some investment into it, which personally works both ways for me. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Beam, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting Beam to go in 2024? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.